Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Sportsman Fever. Out here at Holmes Creek,
Cypress Springs and Holmes Creek.
Looking beautiful today. Oh, that was cold, brother. And it's cold. It's super cold.
Yeah, look at this view right here, man. It's freaking.
Oh man, looks like the spring has gotten a lot bigger in here too.
Yeah,
it has.
Bigger hole.
A lot bigger hole.
Yo, we made it to paradise. We got my boy Austin right here.
What's up, Holmes? It's cold, brother.
It is cold?
Yes.
How cold is the water?
Hey, wait.
Sorry, I got a big butt. Don't worry.
This is our neighbor, Tom.
Hey, Tom, how you doing, man? How you doing, man?
This is Austin.
How you doing, Austin? Nice to meet you. Too, bud.
Yo, we got VIP parking right here, son. Man. We've made it. Yeah. Here. I'm gonna show you guys the setup here. We literally just come in, park. We're hanging out here in the island. I got the generator going, a little bit of music for our friends. Pump it, baby, pump it, pump it.
I done this to mine and Holly's earlier. I was at the landing and Holly was like, hey babe, I need help. I was like, I can't pump mine and yours at the same time.
Hey, sorry. The rest of the crew. What's happening? What's happening? We're filming today. Got the GoPro. Let's go, baby. What you got here? Man, look at these paddles. Woo! Nice. What you get? This Walmart?
Walmart?
Where'd you get this from?
Walmart?
Walmart.
Oh my God.
That's a Kmart, it's not a Blue Light Special.
Yo, it is chilly.
Yeah, I jump in there.
Not yet.
Chili ain't the words, you put your whole body in it.
Oh, I will, I will. How you like this? Got your little cooler here as a seat, man.
I think I'm gonna wind up getting one of those roommates.
Which one?
To hold everything.
What you drink?
Having me in here, I have a problem.
We ready? Hey, that's good, baby. How was it?
You guys want to go? Y'all can go.
You want to try it? Come on.
Y'all can go. Go for it.
This one is, I'm too heavy for this one.
Yeah?
The weight capacity on this one really is 170, that's max.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
deep down there, it's like 20 feet. There's a log over here with a stand on catch up with the white.
Well, guys, this is Cypress Springs. As you can see, you can make it here on a paddleboard, canoe, pontoon, small little boats. Everybody's over here hanging out, enjoying the beautiful day. Looks like somebody's about to jump from the rope.